In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cells from Google Sheets to Google Docs. If you've ever kept numbers, dates, or notes in a spreadsheet and needed those exact values to appear in a document without retyping them, this is the simplest workflow. We'll copy data directly from Google Sheets and paste it into Google Docs so it stays connected to the source. That way, when the spreadsheet changes, your document can reflect the latest information. Start by opening the Google Sheet that contains the data you want. Make sure you have permission to view or edit it, and that the content you plan to bring into your document is finalized or clearly labeled. Now, highlight the cell you want to copy. You can select a single cell or drag to include a small range if you want multiple values together. Selecting exactly what you need helps keep your document clean and easy to read. With the cell highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. If you're on a Mac, use Command+C. You should see a quick visual cue in Sheets that confirms the selection is ready to go. Next, switch over to your Google Doc. Navigate to the part of the document where you want the data to appear and place your cursor there so it lands in the right spot. When you're ready, press Ctrl+V to paste. On a Mac, that's Command+V. You'll see a small prompt appear in Google Docs when pasting from Sheets. This prompt is designed to keep the connection between the document and the spreadsheet. Click on Paste. With the default link option selected, the data you just inserted will be tied to the original spreadsheet, which makes updates straightforward later on. After the paste, your value or small range will appear, typically formatted as a miniature table that mirrors the look from Sheets. Because it's linked, Google Docs can detect when the source cell changes and will offer to refresh the content so your document stays accurate. This is especially helpful for reports, dashboards, and templates you update on a regular schedule. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep the sheet accessible to anyone who needs to collaborate on the doc, so linked content can update without permission issues. If you plan to paste a larger range, consider simplifying formatting in Sheets first. Cleaner inputs make for cleaner outputs in Docs. And if the pasted table is wider than your page, adjust column widths in your document for a better fit. That's it. Open your spreadsheet, highlight the cell, copy, switch to your doc, paste, and confirm. You've linked your data in just a few